did the brunette do when she missed the 44 bus? She took the 22 bus twice instead. Why shouldn't brunettes take coffee breaks? It takes too long to train them. How do you make a brunette laugh on Saturday? Tell her the joke on Wednesday. And did you hear about the brunette who tripped over the cordless phone? Did you hear about the brunette that plugged her power strip back into itself to save electricity? And did you hear about the brunette who locked herself in the car? Oh, thank goodness the world is run by blondes.